guys, I just wanted to show you this assignment, which is due for you guys, and maybe help you out with any problems you're having. So first of all, this is called Kami, and it is a website that allows me to do different things with documents for you guys. For this particular assignment, all you're going to need to do is basically add text boxes to the assignment. So up at the top, there's a place for your name. You can click text box, and you can just click right in the spot where you want to add a text box. So period, name up here. But I see that it kind of leaves a toolbar over top of that. So don't worry too much about name, because I'll know it's your document. But over here, once you have the text box selected, you can go ahead and just put a text box in there. If you agree with it, you could put yes, you could put no, or question marks. You can change the colors if you want to, but don't worry too much about that. You're not doing anything with the after reading section. So all you're doing is looking at each statement. Make sure you click on text box. Just put your text box right in the column or the box right here that you want to mark up. When you get to the bottom of this document, individual reflection questions, again, get rid of that one. You're just going to click on text box, and you are going to just put your cursor right here, and you can start typing. I actually started typing an answer earlier, so I can get rid of it, backspace it, or just kill the box. So for each question, just click once, and you can type in your answer. Okay? That's all you're going to have to do for this particular assignment. There's a save button up at the top here, so you're just going to hit save when you are done. And if you wanted to download it, you could. But yeah, that's all you're going to have to do for this. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I will do my best to answer them. Take it easy.